what we have completed. First is tension test. Okay. Then impact test, Charpy and ISOT. After then, Brinell hardness, Rockwell hardness. Then screw jab, worm and worm wheel. Then shear force diagram, bending moment diagram. And then truss. Truss, any problem I have given? Have I given any problem? Assignment? Okay. And torsion test. No? So torsion test. So one thing for tension test, tensile test, the data was not provided. No? Only how to conduct the test we have seen through video.
Yes, so the first experiment we haven't got the data in the theory.
Today, so that means what you can record from the experiment, that is load and the corresponding deformation, right? Gradually, load will be increasing from 0 to the value of force at which material breaks. That means starting from 0 to the force at which failure occurs. So that load gradually that will be applied, okay, increased, and at any instant what is the load applied, according to that what is the deformation that will be recorded, right? So that means force versus deformation. That data you need to calculate different stress values, as well as you can stress versus strain diagram, right? So due to unavailability of data, it was not possible to draw, right? So now I am going to upload, okay, the data, load versus deformation in tensile test, and scale is given. So according to that, you have to calculate stress, strain. So you have to prepare a table where you can find the stress versus strain values. Then according to that values, you have to plot stress versus strain curve, right? So now I am going to upload it, and this is your assignment. You have to submit. Okay. Okay, it has been uploaded now. So according to that data, so what the values you have to find out, they are given in question assignment, and as well as you have to plot stress versus strain diagram. Okay. So I can show you. This is the problem. Okay. The tensile test was performed on a steel specimen having an original diameter of 15 millimeter and gauge length of 55 millimeter. The data is listed in the table. Plot the stress strain diagram and determine approximately the modulus of elasticity, the yield stress, the ultimate stress, and the rupture stress. Use a scale of 1 centimeter equal to 50 megapascal for stress, and 1 centimeter is equal to 0.005 millimeter per millimeter, that is for strain. Okay. Is it clear, this one?
Yes, sir.
That means, just a minute. That means what? 1 centimeter. That means you have graph paper, na? Have you graph paper? So on
Yes,
graph
sir.
paper, 10 division, suppose 8 unit. So it has like that way 10 division. It is continued. Okay. Now I am focusing on 1 unit. Okay, like that way. Suppose it is the board line, na? So like that way you can find board line. So one board area, that is divided 10 by 10, right?
Yes, sir.
So इसमें क्या है? This is your 1 centimeter and this is your 1 centimeter. So that means एक यूनिट कितना वैल्यू देगा? ये हो जाएगा 5 मेगापास्कल. ओके, तो इसका मतलब एक टोटल हाइट ऑफ दिस ब्लॉक दैट विल गिव यू 50 मेगापास्कल. एंड यहाँ पे एक यूनिट कितना देगा? एक यूनिट देगा 0.005, right?
Yes, sir.
This is the strain or ये stress. So like that way, first of all you have to make a table, okay, where you know the diameter is given so that you can find out the area, length is given. So sigma equal to what? Load versus load by area. So by area you can find out what is the corresponding stress value. Okay, for different loads, what is the corresponding stress value, that you can find out or not. Similarly, strain equal to what? Delta by original length. So delta value is given here, it is delta and it is P. So that means P by A, and this is L. L is given how much? 55. Okay, and this is what? Pi by 4 d square. D is kitna? 15 millimeter, right? So you
Yes,
can find out what is A and L. Then according to the different load values, what is the corresponding stress, and for different what is the deformation value, according to that what is the strain value, you can calculate or not. That means you have to make a table, you have to convert this table where load versus elongation data is given. You have to convert this table to a table where you find stress versus strain data. Okay, right?
yes, sir.
Then according to the scale, you have to plot. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I can show you one thing. Actual value will be coming as just a minute. This type of diagram will be coming. It is visible, na? Stress versus strain. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So actually, what you will do, you know, this is the diagram. So actually, these are the points. This is yield. यहाँ से फिर एक पॉइंट आएगा, एक पॉइंट आएगा, एक पॉइंट आएगा. तो एक्चुअली ये कैसे जाएगा? एक्चुअली कैसे जाएगा? ऐसे जाएगा ना? स्ट्रेट लाइन करके दिया है, लेकिन ये ऐसे जाएगा. ऐसे जाएगा ना?
Yes, sir.
तो आप ऐसे जोड़ोगे, ठीक है? अकॉर्डिंग टू डायग्राम. You have to fit a curve between these points. Okay. Understood? This is the maximum stress, ultimate stress. This is the yield stress, and this is the rupture stress. Okay. And if you enlarge this value to up to proportional limit, so if you know this value, if you know, okay, and this value, if you know, that means you can find out the slope or not. So from that you can find out the E value. This is the slope. Okay. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
इसका मतलब क्या है? और बड़ा करके दिखाना. ये है प्रोपोर्शनल लिमिट है ना, तो ये पॉइंट मिला है और ये पॉइंट मिला है. तो ये स्ट्रेस वैल्यू आप जानते हो, ये वैल्यू how much stress it is, sigma 1. Then how much stress it is sigma 2. Then how much it is? It is sigma 1 minus sigma 2. And this value is what? This is epsilon 2. And this value is equal to what? Epsilon 1. Then how much it is? It is epsilon 1 minus epsilon 2. Right? So these two values, if you know, so you can find out the slope. The slope is what? That is actually E. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So any query? Have you any confusion anywhere? Everything is clear now? Okay. So I am giving you. कितना टाइम लगेगा? बताओ, आप बोलो. आप बताओ कितना टाइम लगेगा? Up to minutes. So I can give you 40 minutes. Na? I am giving you 1 hour. Okay. So I will resume after 1 hour. And meanwhile, you please complete your task. And when you resume again, then I will ask you, and then you start to submit your assignment. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, start.